Hi, everyone. This is the Love and Money Show. How are you today? Today, I'm going to talk to you about millionaires and what millionaires are doing for the recession. So, millionaires, number one. Before I do that, I'm going to talk about a statistics. And this one statistic says that 90% of individual stocks are owned by millionaires. So I find that pretty amazing. This is a statistic that is out there, and it shows you that if you desire to become a millionaire, then you need to do what the millionaires are doing. And the millionaires are investing in stocks. According to the statistic, millionaires own 90% of the individual stocks. So if you have questions on whether you should be in the stock market or not, there is your answer. Of course, I'm not trying to swayed you one way or the other, but this is a statistic that is out there. So now I'm going to talk to you about what the millionaires are doing to protect themselves for the recession. So it's not just the rest of the population that is thinking about the recession and how they can protect themselves. Also, millionaires are thinking on how they can protect themselves, how they can protect their assets. And so the number one thing that they are doing is nothing. And so by nothing, what I mean is some people they panic during this time and they start selling off their investments. They start selling their stocks, they start selling their crypto, they start selling their real estate. But what the millionaires are doing is nothing. They're not selling, they're just waiting for all of this to blow over. And they still have their money in their investments as normal, as usual. So, number one is nothing, no panic selling for millionaires. The second thing that millionaires are doing is, according to statistics, 41% are adding government and corporate bonds to their portfolio. So, I told you in a previous episode that bonds will slow the rate of growth that your money grows. So, a lot of people have stocks. The other word for stocks is equities. And so if you have like 100% stocks, your portfolio is going to grow way faster than somebody who has bonds. So that is equities of the word is stocks versus bonds. So according to this article, 41% have been adding government and corporate bonds to their portfolio to lower their risk. Like I said, when you do that, you're going to slow the growth. You're going to slow the rate at which it grows. So I don't advise getting bonds, but that's really a personal decision. Um, it's better to have stocks if that is what is going to make your portfolio grow fast. That's what you're looking for is fast growth, not slow, itty tiny bitty growth. Okay. So stocks versus bonds. And then, of course, it depends on how close you are to retirement, how risky you want to be with your investments. Do you want to be aggressive or are you looking for slow growth? So, number two, that's what they're doing. 41% are adding government and corporate bonds to their portfolio. And then number three, what millionaires are doing are they are keeping cash on hand. So, cash on hand in the event of anything catastrophic happening, such as if the stock market were to tumble, they would have this cash on hand until it until the stock market would get in balance. Cash on hand for other purposes, for other investments, investment properties, or any other tragedy. So that is the three things that millionaires are doing. Number one, nothing. Number two, adding bonds to their portfolio. And number three, keeping cash on hand. So this is what the millionaires are doing. And like I said before, millionaires hold 90% of the individual stocks that are out here. So that is clearly telling you that if you desire to be a millionaire, then you need to get yourself some stocks and do what the millionaires do. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. This is just for educational and informational purposes only. If you like this show, please share it with one other person. Also, please hit the like button, it helps the channel. Hit the big red subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so that you won't miss the episode. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and let me know what you think. What do you think about the stock market? Are you for it or against it? There are opposing views on both sides of this story. So let me know your thoughts. Are you for the stock market or are you against it? Thank you for watching and have a good rest of your night.